Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram have added a new feature that you can easily switch between message section and a reel section. So what was happening before, if you are scrolling your reels and you got some message, and if you click on message, your explore or the reel section will get updated, so it will not stay in same videos. So now there will be a back to back tab, so you can easily switch to message and a reel tab. How this feature work, I will show you in my mobile screen. So here is new Instagram update. This means like whenever you are using a reels and you want to switch to a message section, for example here in reel, so I need to go to home and I need to go to a message. So after updating this, directly you can switch it from here. So how to do? Click on learn more. You can see Instagram is now easier to navigate. Click on update now. So here you can see swipe to easily access reel and message. Got it. Click on this. So for example,
अगर आप एक कंटेंट
reel, if I want to go to
Are
a
you a creator
message,
who shoots on the
I
iPhone
can
but
directly go to message. I don't have to go to a home and go to a message. So this is a new icon, here you can see. I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.